Hey guys, what's up? It's SerenityyDoll and I'm back today with another video for you guys. I sound like a man first and foremost. I'm sick and it is almost Christmas. It is what, the 22nd?
Yeah.
Today's the 22nd of December and I have not put up a video or vlogged in a very good minute. A very good long minute. I have been super busy. I have been working non-stop every day like crazy. I have not had any time for myself at all whatsoever. And the only time that I have for myself right now is me being sick and being off because I am sick. So I have to get a last minute gift and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I already pretty much got almost everyone that I needed to. I just need to get like maybe 2 or 3 more stocking stuffers. And that's it. But I just wanted to take you guys along with me. I'm gonna head to Target because I feel like Target has some good like things that I want to get, and I don't want to go all the way to the mall because the mall's gonna be crazy. I will see you guys in Target. Ahead. Okay, so we're in Target now. Sorry. We're in Target and it's really crazy. And it's really packed and there's like a bunch of people everywhere. And I'm here looking for a flannel. Sorry, I have a cough drop in my mouth. Looking for a flannel for someone. And it's just really crowded. Oh, those pajamas are cute. Everything's a mess. They dropped my thing. Okay. So, looking for a flannel. Can't find one. Everything's like legit out of stock. And I'm buying myself stuff that I need while I'm here. I use this for my hair and I use this for my deep conditioning. Oh, that's nice. I actually like that one. It's an extra large.
Yeah.
I think we found one, guys. This is actually really nice. Is it like a flannel? It's like a button-up.
Yeah.
It's pretty thick.
It's thick. Pretty thick.
I think we'll take this one. Last minute Christmas shopping. Okay, so I'm looking for Rumble London makeup powder, but for some reason at this Target I can't find it anywhere. And I don't know if they have it. Oh, that is cute. That'd be cute. I don't know if they have Rumble London anymore here, but I don't think they do. Everything is just really freaking like sold out. Don't ever come last minute shopping. It's like, oh, my energy is so low, guys. I'm so sorry. This is me being dead. It's cool. All this makeup and I can't find Rumble London. It's tripping me the fuck out. Unless they don't have Rumble London anymore, but I feel like they should. Because every other Target has Rumble London. Oh, here, Rummel. Oh, here's Rummel, like, mascara. Oh, here's the powder.
You only have one?
Yeah.
Wow.
I found it, guys, and they only have this one. It's not my color. That's great. I guess we'll just get some eyeliner then. If you guys want to know what eyeliner I use, hopefully they have it because I feel like they don't. Oh, here. This is the eyeliner that I get. It is the e.l.f. eyeliner and it is $2 and it lasts a lot, so I always just grab like 2 or 3. Fuck it, I'll just grab 3. I'll take all of them. I can go get my dad one of these Bass Pro Shop things. Yeah. There. Toss. Oh, look, guys, I'm gonna get a black toothbrush. Like my soul, you know? You have to match.
Oh, you're gonna throw away your electric one?
It's already broken.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It's pretty cool. I always get this toothpaste because it makes my breath smell good. I don't smell stinky.
It's flora free, so it's good for you.
Yeah, it has mint and coconut. As long as it makes my breath feel
and it has charcoal. It's black.
That's supposed to make my teeth white?
Yeah, but it's black.
Oh, it's black toothpaste?
Yeah.
Wait, stop moving. There we go. That's
Never
cool.
tested on animals.
Cool. Grab myself this way. We left Target and now we are going into See's Candies. The See's Candies is like near my house, and this one is kind of like empty. It looks a little weird. I know they just opened this not too long ago. So last stop is to get peanut brittle for my dad because he loves peanut brittle, and I get him that shit for like every occasion. He's just like a simple guy, but he's hard to shop for, and I could never go wrong with peanut brittle. So I'm just gonna get him this, and then head home and start wrapping gifts, and you guys grab them with me because, ooh, I just zoomed into my face. Someone wants to see my nose hairs. Dun, dun, dun. I know. And you guys grab them with me because I have not uploaded, and I owe you guys at least a Vlogmas or like a last minute Christmas thing because your girl is a mess with that. So we're just gonna go in and see what I can find. We left See's Candies and we came to Coffee Bean because I wanted coffee, but I didn't get coffee. I got a tea instead because I was trying to be good, because if you drink coffee when you're sick, it's going to cause more phlegm and the caffeine's bad for you and blah 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 and all this other horse shit that I don't really care for. But you know, I'm trying to be healthy. Put it down! I'm trying to be healthy. And I also got a cheese and jalapeno croissant because these are pretty good and I'm pretty hungry. So, and yeah, now I'm just gonna wrap everything up and we shall see how that goes because I'm a mess. I hope this looks okay. I'm in my living room. Yay! We're gonna be wrapping up gifts. I just got back from Coffee Bean and all the other happy stuff. Come say hi to everyone. Come here, Chiquilla. And Bella's gonna help me wrap some. And this is Chico in the background. That is my other doggy. And this is my Bavi.
Hi, Mommy. You got all kinds of stuff on you. She loves it when I give her kisses.
And I hope that this camera doesn't make me look orange or weird. But I'm sorry in advance. So, whatever. My mom is at my grandma's right now. So let's hope that she doesn't walk in when I'm wrapping her gifts, because some of her gifts I have to wrap. I'm gonna try to do hers first. Excuse you! Get off! Watch her come in and I'm gonna legit just like throw shit. I'm just gonna like throw shit in the corner or whatever so she won't see it. She's gonna come in, I'm just gonna hide everything. So I'm gonna try not to talk that much while I'm doing this, but you know me, I talk a lot, so. Wait, get lower.
Oh, hi.
Get lower.
Oh my god, I'm not gonna be able to get up. Hi.
Hi, this is my mom.
Hi, everybody.
This is Bella.
Oh my god.
This is my family. This is us. We're crazy. My mom's here now.
Yay! Yay! Trying to wrap up gifts. Yay! Oh shit! You got it? You okay? I got up now.
bad. It's a little crinkly right here, but it looks good. It's reflective, so. You're a... My mom. She thinks she's funny.
Hi.
Her arm. I'm all into my... whatever, mother. Done. I have other gifts to wrap, and I'm not going to do it on here. Because like I said, there's nosy people in my life that actually watch my videos. But I know that my mom's not going to watch this, nor the other people going to watch this, so they could get theirs wrapped on here. But I'm going to wrap the other ones right now, and I'll be back. This is my little Christmas tree going on, and these are all the presents. There's some back here. And there's some behind this. There's like boxes and everything. There's some like in that corner. There's like a bag right here. There's a gift right there. Big bags. Laying on a box. In here. And then there's some all the way in the corner. And then there's some on top of like our stereo thing. Because we didn't have any room. So this is how it looks with Christmas lights. How pretty, huh? Just a simple little tree this year. It looks very beautiful in the gold little bow. Beautiful. So yeah, so that is that for tonight. Blah. Okay, so I still look like a mess. My hair looks like a mess right now. This is me in the same makeup. I probably look really oily at the moment. Ooh, but yeah, and I still sound really gross. But this is it for today's little last minute Christmas shopping vlog. If you guys did like it, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And click the notification bell to keep up to date with me. So that way you guys can get notifications whenever I do upload a video. But yeah, I apologize for being super late and not uploading like I should have normally. It's just been a really crazy month for me. And I just have had no time whatsoever. Plus with Christmas shopping, it's just crazy. So I hope you guys like this little vlog, and yeah, but I'll see you guys next video. Bye.